Hello everyone and welcome to another video in Python encryption series. In this video we are going to make a brute force function to brute force attack on our message. So let's get started. So let's start by creating our brute force function. First we will say define brute force, and it takes two arguments, oneself and the message as its argument. So we will use a for loop to go through every possible shift value and print out the decrypted message. We will say for I and range of 20, you can say 30, 40, 50, whatever you like, but I'll use 20 for now. And first of all, we want to print the current shift value. So after printing the current shift value, we can print out the decrypted message using the current shift value. We'll use our decrypt message function right here, and we'll say print self.decrypt message, and as its argument we will put the message, and as a shift value we will use the current shift value. So I think that's it for our brute force function. So in order to use it, we need to create an object of our class, and creating that is fairly easy. So say E is equal to encryption. Encryption is the name of our class, and as its argument we will put 13 for now. And now we are going to ask the user to enter their message for encryption and store it in a variable called user_n. After storing the user input in a variable called user_n, we will use the encrypt message function in order to encrypt the user's message. So we will say print e.encrypt message and user_n. And after that we will say we will ask the user to enter the encrypted message in order to decrypt or brute force attack on it, and store it in a variable called user_n as well. After user entered the encrypted message, we will use our brute force function to decrypt the message. We will say e.bruteforce user_n, and that's it. I think we have done it. So let's test our program if it's working. So let's say Python and our file name. Here we'll put the message. As you can see, it's working. It's printing out all the possible shift values and decrypted message. And now we're going to read every single words to find the one that is readable, like this one, hello. And that completes the part 3 of our Python encryption series. If you liked it, make sure to subscribe to our channel so don't miss the next one. Thank you so much for watching.